Good morning, my name is Gilles Robert. I'm field application engineer in Atmel, based in the Paris office. Today I will show you how you can use the Atmel Studio 6 debugger together with IAR C compiler. As you know, Atmel Studio 6 is a very powerful tool to manage a full software development project. You can edit, you can compile with the integrated GCC compiler, and you can debug with Atmel Studio 6. With the debugger, you can use very nice features, like for instance the I/O view, which allow you to monitor all the peripherals of your micro. In this example, you can see the LED of port E, which is toggling during the debugging session. Now, let's assume that you want to use the powerful IAR C compiler to compile your software and still use the Atmel Studio 6 debugger. It is very easy to achieve. Let's switch to the IAR environment. You only have to modify one option in the project. You go to the option linker output options. Then you have to choose the uBroth 8 debug format and to modify the extension of your output file to D90. Now you can rebuild the IAR project using the IAR C compiler. Now you can switch back to the Studio 6 environment, close the existing solution, and use the special Open Object File for Debugging option. You have to select the D90 generated file. You have to select the right micro part number. As you can see, Studio 6 has automatically generated a full software project based on the debug object file generated by IAR. And so you can debug with, for instance, Studio 6 simulator, the object file you have compiled with IAR with the same nice debugging features, as you can see. Now let's see what happens if you modify your source code inside IAR. For instance, change the LED port from port E to port F. Then you can rebuild your project. And as you can see, Studio 6 has automatically detected a new generated object file. You can reload it. And without any new file or project creation, you can see your new source code with port F, and you can debug now by monitoring port F. You can debug your modified source code. Thank you.